welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for your girl, okay? This is starting off another maintenance vlog. I need my hair done, and by hair I mean like my natural hair. See, we are like all over the place. I'm running late. I'm about to go and get my natural hair done. I'm thinking of like kind of like a 90s blowout, so I can try and see what she can do. I do want to trim. I'm gonna trim probably like 3 inches off of my hair, just because I know it's damaged, it's dry, and it needs to get cut off. Like I said in my last vlog, one of my New Year's resolutions is to consistently keep my hair done, because last year I did not keep my hair done at all. So this is month 4 and we are going on hairstyle number 3. So I'm doing pretty good. So yeah, let's go. I'm not late. I live like, I think 8 minutes away from where she is, so I will probably be like 5 minutes late, but that's okay. I mean, I had to walk over, so yeah, let's go.
What's up, Dochi? You know, it's been a little minute since you and I have had a chat. Has it really? Probably since like your last EP, all the Pedicure. Yeah. I've been getting some calls. People are a little bit worried about you. Not worried. And I know that I was kind of that outlet for you, so
you were.
Why don't you just tell me what's been going on?
Remember old dude in 2019, nice clean nigga did me dirtier than laundry. Took a scroll through his IG just to get a DM from him. I was so confused, what should Dochi do? She didn't know about me and I didn't know about Sue. I opened up the messages and had to hit the Zoom. Turns out the girl was really slick back till I slipped back, got my lick back, turned the nigga to a knick-knack. I moved on, dropped a couple of songs, and then I went and got signed. Now it's 2021.
Okay, I just feel like this is the perfect opportunity for us to just take a second and kind of unpack what's happened to you. You know, this guy cheated on you, and
Fuck you. Had to look at this, Bible record that. I'm making so much money, I'm all over the net. I'm moving so fast, no time to process it. No, I'm not in the game, but I'm all.
Okay, y'all, so I'm sitting under the dryer and she put a deep conditioner in my hair. I desperately needed that. I feel like one thing about my hair, it was definitely dry, damaged, breaking off. She was like, you need to trim every 2.5 months. I was like, yeah, you are right. You are definitely right. So I'm just getting my little treatment. You can see my hair is like crazy in here, but yeah, I'm just gonna sit here, chill, and then just one thing I forgot to show you guys is the inspo that I'm going for. So I'm going for like this type of cut. Let me see, can you see? I'm going for this type of cut, and then this is my goal when it comes to density and thickness. So imagine what? Yeah, so I'm going for that. Let's see if she can get it. It's not bad.
Yes, it's not bad at all. I didn't have to cut off a lot at all. I just cut off about, let's say, a half an inch.
Okay. I thought I was going to need like 3 inches or something.
Really just needed a deep condition treatment, honestly. But it feels good to me. And you do have some of that breakage up here in the middle, but it looks good.
Do you want to cut the break, like some of it, or?
The breakage that's in the middle is like extremely like, hold on, like some pieces.
Yeah, this
are
is
like
this is the piece where the glue was too.
Shorter.
Mm-hmm.
So not really, it'll grow out.
Mm-hmm.
So I do want to, I say like just keep it wrapped or like keep it up. Keep a little bit of moisturizer there. Scalp massages do help. So in the morning, if you just rub your finger through the scalp or like before you go to bed.
Yeah, I always go like this. So for like moisturizer, like say, okay, 2 days from now, right?
Get some essential oils and massage it into your scalp and that'll stimulate hair growth. So like anything like a tea tree, a peppermint.
So like, you know those little green bottles they have at the...
Over there at the beauty spot, that works.
Okay, yeah, I'm about to get some. Okay.
Not like OD, like pouring it on there, but like pour some oil in your hand, massage it in your finger, and just rub it in your scalp.
Okay. Welcome back to another day on the vlog. Yesterday, you guys saw me get my hair washed, treated, and a cut. I think she cut off like 1.5 inches, she said. So that's why I have my little bun. I didn't get it so fresh just because I know I'm going to the gym and get my hair done next week. So I'm in the gym. I'm going to take you guys along with me. I'm doing a summer sculpt challenge. So today is day 2. We're going to be working on core and arms, and then I'm going to get on the treadmill and then on the Stairmaster. Stairmaster, chef's kiss, has been tea, and I can see it in my body already. This is week 3 and I've been doing good. Yesterday I did have 2 hot dogs for dinner. I shouldn't have did that, but I was so hungry. I was like, I'm craving a hot dog, so I had hot dogs for dinner. But anyway, let's go to this gym. Let's bang this workout because summer is around the corner and spring is here. Period. Officially clocked out. I shouldn't eat those 2 hot dogs yesterday because I could feel it. But yeah, I just wanted to take you guys to see a little bit of what I do in the gym. decided I'm about to go home and make me a breakfast wrap because I am starving. So today is a new day. It's officially prep season and I'm about to go get my feet done. So I don't have to wait till the last minute. Hopefully they do underarm waxing because my wax lady is still not answering the phone. But I understand if it's last minute, you know, but still I'm a loyal client, so you should be texting me back. But anyway, let's go get our feet done. Okay, y'all, so this is my first time getting a pedicure from here, and they're charging me $6 to take off the gel that's currently on my toes. Mind you, it's not like the other place that I went to because it's very last minute, and they give you cocktails, everything.